Well, the Uber and Lyft driver strike has begun. We're going to talk about it today. Please thumbs up the video to help spread the word that there is a strike going on. So you can participate and you can let more people know that there's a strike going on. I'll give you all the details in today's video. I also want to hear you comment down below. Will you be joining? How many days will you be striking for and what hours? Before I get started, I want to thank our sponsor, Current. Current is a mobile banking app that is helping you get paid up to 2 days faster. I just got my Current card in the mail. Over 3 million people use Current. You get cash back every single time you fill up gas, which is great. I went ahead and signed up for Current right here. I have it right here on my home screen. I put in $100. As you can see, you earn 4% interest on your money, which is 100 times higher than Bank of America and over 40 times higher than national average. So sign up for Current. There's no fees, no credit checks, no account minimums, link below. And now let's get started. So Dark Sorry just tweeted out that he's so thankful that Uber is partnering with Hertz to rent drivers' Tesla vehicles. 15,000 drivers have already participated nationwide, driving 40 million miles. In SoCal, 2,600 drivers have saved 177,000 gallons of gas. Uber wants to be 100% electric by 2030. What do you guys think about that? 100% electric by 2030. That's only 7.5 years away. Dark Sorry tweeted, "Love it when everyone wins." Meanwhile, on Reddit, starting July 4th, there will be strikes for 60 days. During 6 p.m. to 9 p.m., drivers will not be online. This is our way of fighting for better wages. This is our way of fighting for improved safety for drivers. By joining in together, we hope to deliver a message: we've had enough. We live in a world right now, in a society, an economy, a gig economy, where you have a select group of people, of drivers, who are very happy, who love the flexibility that Uber and Lyft and all these gig apps offer to help subsidize a portion of their life expenses, right? You have a car payment that's $400 a month. Well, you have this man who works, at an office, and he says, okay, well, I'm gonna drive until I hit $400 each month, and that's gonna pay for my car payment. You have others who their rent costs $1,400 a month, so they're going to drive until they hit $1,400 a month and use all that other money to invest or to go into their savings or to fund their, life goals, their life passions. Maybe they want to be an actor or an actress, or I don't know, maybe they want to go to school to be a surgeon. Now, you have people, and they're very happy. They live their lives, they drive part-time and they get a little bit of income. Then on the other hand, you have a lot of full-time drivers who are very upset that they keep driving and the gas prices keep going up. And Uber and Lyft are doing very, very little to nothing about it. Uber just slashed their gas fuel surcharge for Eats orders. So if you're an Uber driver and you're doing both Uber and Uber Eats, or if you're doing Doordash, all the delivery fuel surcharge is gone. And those drivers are very upset. There's no holiday pay, there's no sick leave, there's no overtime pay. And anyways, this strike will be occurring for 60 days according to, I don't know. I mean, I've heard different days as well, or I've heard different times, but according to Cordial Demon, 6 to 9 p.m. I don't know what time zone. I guess he's just saying, 6 p.m. in California is 9 p.m. in New York. So I guess it's going from 6 p.m. in California to midnight in New York. So that's 6 hours different, right? 6 p.m. to midnight if you go from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. across the country, right? 6 p.m. in California to midnight in California. So for 6 hours, for 60 days, July 4th, according to Cordial Demon. But a lot of drivers are saying that it's not going to do anything. Greenskeeper Carl says, I don't know about you guys, but the Mondays of these holiday weekends are always slow. I only really do this if I get a really good ride challenge. There's a concert holiday weekend, but I never drive on the Mondays because the times I did were slow as heck. compared to the rest of the weekend. I'm already not driving that day, but why do this on the slowest of the 4 days of this holiday weekend? And then another user commented, another Uber strike where no one strikes? Another commenter said, that is a weird time slot for UberX because a lot of traffic on the road during that time. But I'm in. I stopped doing UberX. I will do it for Uber Eats. So he's just going to do Uber Eats instead. And Uber Eats is the one app that pays drivers less because they don't pay the fuel surcharge. I only do morning airport runs. I cherry pick rides in neighborhoods. I have no intention to deal with firework events and getting caught in traffic jams with angry dads. Nope. So okay, I will strike. I'm just hanging out drinking Chardonnay and giving myself a facial. What kind of facial, bro? Power to the people into my mud mask. Oh, okay, one of those facials, I don't know. Reddit is a very weird place, but there you have it, my friends. That's the details with the strike. Let me know again, will you be striking? And do you think the Uber and Lyft strike will actually work this year? Thanks for watching. Take care. And again, sign up for Current using my link below if you want to start earning cash back on your gas fill-ups, get paid up to 2 days faster, no fees on overdraft when you go negative $200, earn 4% interest on your savings, no fees, no account minimums. Sign up for Current, get a free debit card, free account, link below, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.